Welcome to this quick introduction to AWS IAM. IAM, or Identity and Access Management, is the security backbone of your AWS account. It controls who can access your resources and what actions they're allowed to perform. With IAM, you can manage users, groups, roles, and permissions, all from a single centralized place. Think of it as the gatekeeper that protects your AWS environment. Let's understand the four main components of IAM. First, we have users. These are individual accounts for people or applications that need direct access. Next are groups. They help you bundle users together and assign permissions easily. Then we have roles. These don't belong to any person. Roles give temporary access to AWS services like EC2 or Lambda. And finally, policies. These are permission documents that define exactly what actions are allowed or denied. Together, these components form the heart of IAM. In this diagram, we follow how AWS Identity and Access Management handles a request. Everything begins with a principal. This could be an AWS user, a role, or an application. The principal sends a request to AWS asking to perform an action on a specific resource. AWS then evaluates this request using IAM policies. These policies check four main elements: the effect, which determines allow or deny the action, which defines what the user wants to do with the resource, which specifies what the user is trying to access. And finally, the condition, which adds additional rules such as IP restrictions, MFA, or time of day. If the policies authorize the request, AWS allows the action to proceed and the principal gains access to the requested resource. If the request doesn't meet the required permissions, AWS denies it. This flow ensures secure, controlled, and auditable access to all AWS resources using IAM. To wrap things up, here are some essential IAM best practices. Always enable multi-factor authentication on all accounts for added security. Avoid using the root account for day-to-day work. Use IAM roles instead of long-term access keys whenever possible. Follow the least privilege principle. Only give the exact permissions someone needs. And finally, use groups to manage users more efficiently. With these best practices, your AWS environment stays secure and well-organized. Master these IAM essentials, and you're well on your way to running a rock-solid and future-ready AWS environment. Thank you.